you to our official tabulator, Mr. Aaron Agulio of Sisip Doris Villayan Incorporated. To award our Queen Goddess of Globe. Would you like to go back there? Our Queen Goddess of Globe, to be awarded by Judge Sam and Judge Ray. To receive a sash, a cash, a trophy, and a bouquet of flowers, courtesy of Raven Flower Shop. Our Queen Goddess of Globe 2011 is candidate number... Candidate number 9, Erich Gonzalez. Our Queen Goddess of the World, to be awarded by Judge Roda Rafael and Judge Kiko Escobar. Our Queen Goddess of the World is candidate number... Number 17, Sam Pinto. Our Queen Goddess of the Universe. Thank you so much, Judge Kiko, Judge Roda. Queen Goddess of Universe 2011 to be awarded by Judge Mary, and Marlon Inarin of the Committee on Livelihood.
Tapusin niyo ba ito o gusto niyo hatid na namin kayo? Ang ganda.
Our Queen Goddess of the Universe is candidate number... Candidate number...
Wala na pala yun sa Dida.
Wala na.
Candidate number 5, Shari Pineda. The next award is the Queen Goddess of Galaxy, to be awarded by Judge Donna Charlie.
Nakakulay pula na yun.
My good friend, Mommy Beyonce, please.
Beyonce, go!
Mommy, sa harap.
Ay, ano ba yan?
Marami na pipiso din na. And to award our all queen, we'd like to call on the queen herself, Miss Rachel Ann Smythe, and Mr. Mark Cruz. Our queen of all queens, 2011. Ano gusto niyo i-announce ko muna? Galaxy or Queen of all queens? Galaxy muna. First runner-up, sabi niya. Pero Queen Goddess of Galaxy is